I am so happy for this video. You guys have no idea at all. So as you guys know, I've been on my fitness journey for a while now. Then I got pregnant and then started all over again. You guys don't really know what I guess sparked me to even get into fitness. This video is that. This is my go-to booty building exercises. I'm gonna be, 100% real with you guys. This is a real game I'm giving you guys. I've always been a very top heavy girl, and luckily with working out and things like that, that's actually calmed down a lot. So I am so happy about that. Had like no ass at all, like no ass at all. The lowest self-esteem, and I don't really know why or where that came about. Like nobody, at least I don't remember anybody like causing me to feel like insecure about the way that I look. I don't really remember an occasion where that happened. It started when I was like in high school, probably my sophomore year in high school. I was so insecure that I would wear multiple pairs of clothing underneath my pants. Like I would wear like a lot of shorts, like the shorts that are like not terry cloth, but like fuzzy shorts, like comfortable sleepwear shorts. They're usually pretty bulky. So I would actually wear those underneath my pants, and I did that up until probably like my early 20s. I'm 27, so that's pretty sad. It is sad. I'm not happy or proud about it, and nor have I ever really talked about it. It was just something that I would do, and no idea where I picked that up from, no idea how or why I felt the way I felt about my body. Very uncomfortable all of the time. Like I was wearing lots of bottom clothes. Like I was so hot, like in the summertime. Like it just made me look really awkward looking. Like my legs were super duper skinny. Looking back, I don't know why the hell I did that. I don't know, like we do really stupid things when we don't feel good about ourselves. It's over with. It's done. I'm older. I'm in love with the way my butt looks now, and you can't tell me anything. Like even if you want to break up those past situations, like I don't even care. Honestly, I don't care. I was to a point, like I was so insecure about my body that I almost did butt injections. And I ended up chickening out, which I thank God I did, because, and if you have injections, more power to you. A lot of people have gotten really sick with them. A lot of people have, died with them, had like really bad complications, and I'm just glad that I did not end up taking that route. Thank God I did not. Really excited to share with you guys things that I do or the things that I did to grow my butt. In no means or shape or form do I feel like I'm done with my fitness journey. Absolutely not. And honestly, is anybody ever really done? Like, I really don't think so. Please thumbs up this video. Also, if you guys are loving the tips that I gave you, these are definitely not tips that are limited to. I definitely switch up my leg days very often. A few things before I start the video. I do work legs twice a week. I do Wednesdays and Sundays. By no means do I feel like I'm a trainer, an expert, or anything like that. I just know where I came from, which was literally nothing, just straight back. I grew, a lot. So I'm just giving you guys what worked for me. Basically how fitness journeys work, like you just kind of have to figure out what's going to work best for you and roll with that. My journey of trying to grow my glutes, the first time I did it, and I'll show you guys a picture of that as well, my butt grew very good. But the problem is the rest of my body grew as well. This time around, after having Nevaeh, it took a little bit longer to grow. Now, it could be because I had a baby. They say, after you have a baby, it's a little bit harder to lose weight. It's a little bit harder to, gain some muscle. It was, and Do I think that that means that you should just not do it? No, because you're going to get there. Like, it's gonna get there. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than what it probably would have before. But that should not be discouraging in any kind of way, because it's going to happen. Like, it's gonna happen regardless. So you just have to be a little bit more patient. Now, something that I wasn't able to capture on this video, actually two things, and it made me almost not want to post the video, because I really didn't show you my full potential of things that I like to do on leg days, but I just figured I'll tell you guys here. So every time I start a leg day, I always warm up with hip abductors and adductors. It's usually the machine that opens and closes, opening and closing your legs. We didn't have that at this gym. This was a hotel gym that we were staying at. Always end my leg days with isolated glute work, which is usually cable kickbacks with like ankle straps, or sometimes I use a resistance band because it's targets your glutes in different areas. You actually do see me do kickbacks, but with nothing, no bands, no ankle straps, nothing. And that's just because I want you guys to kind of understand like how the movement is without you seeing like me getting pulled from resistance. We add those things when you're ready to get to that point. But if you're just trying to look to feel your form out and see like how it should feel, you know, how you're feeling throughout it, I would definitely just try not to add anything right now. Anyways, I'm gonna stop mumbling and rambling because this intro is way too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are into it, I'll definitely do another one. Like I said, I'm proud, so proud of where I came from, and you know, this is just the beginning because it hasn't even been a full year. Like, my butt definitely grew in about 6 to 8 months time. So honey, when I turn 30, like, don't keep saying why am I rushing being 30, but it's not even just that. It's just I'm proud of like where I came from. I'm just honestly, I'm kind of excited to see what the 30s are gonna bring me, but I still have a little ways to go. I'm 27, so I need to chill out. I do need to chill out a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you know, again, thumbs up if you want to see more. If you guys have any questions of any kind about any of the movements or anything like that, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you have comments, concerns, anything, feel free to leave it down below as well. And I will talk to you guys later.